it's your girl Nita now, and I'm back with another video. Today is going to be a get ready with me hair transformation. Hey y'all, it's your girl Nita now, and I'm back with another video. Today is going to be a hair transformation slash get ready with me. So if y'all want to see how I got this bomb middle part sleek straight look, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I already got my ball cap on. Now I'm using some face powder from LA Girl, and I'm just putting that around the edge of the ball cap to blend it in so it won't look like that line of demarcation under my wig. Now I'm getting my wig from Uglam hair. This is a 360 Brazilian straight wig, and I believe it was 20 or 22 inches, and it came with a lot of parting space, which I did love about this wig. And yeah, I just like this wig, y'all. So make sure y'all go shop with Uglam hair and tell them I sent you. But now I'm just sizing up the wig to make sure it's sitting where I want it to sit. I'm going to clip my hair back so it can be out of my way when I get to applying the lace. Today I'm going to be using my Gots to Be spray to apply my wig. I've been loving using this spray lately because glue is just like, you have to clean it off the lace every time, and then it be all sticky, and then like you can't just take your wig off a couple days later, like cause it be like really on. But with this spray, it's just super easy to use. It dry fast. Like, you know how sometimes glue you have to wait till it completely dry clear to lay your lace, and sometimes that can take like 10 minutes. But with this, it's just super easy. It's, you know, it dry fast, and I just been loving this spray. Only thing about this spray is that it don't last that long, but I don't want to keep this wig on for long, so yeah. But now I'm using this blow dryer on the cool setting. And now I proceeded to cut my lace off. I cut my lace in sections. I cut one down the middle and I cut it down the middle, and I cut it on each side to make 4 flaps. And then I use my eyebrow razor, and I'm moving in like a up down motion because I don't want a straight line. I want it to be like messy so it can blend more, if y'all get what I'm saying. But yeah, and then after I cut the lace off, I'm going to proceed to do my baby hairs. I didn't want to do too many baby hairs on this wig, so I just did 2 little swoops, and then I did my sideburns. And I used my Gots to Be spray to do my baby hairs. I just sprayed it onto the brush, and then I proceeded to do my baby hairs. And this wig, it was so easy to do baby hairs on. Like, sometimes when I do my baby hairs, they want to curl up, or they don't stay in place. But with this wig, it was super easy. I don't know if that's because it was straight hair or not, but this wig was super easy to work with, y'all. Like, super duper easy. So as y'all may know from the title or either the thumbnail, this is going to be a middle part that we're doing today. So I'm just perfecting my middle part before I tie my baby hairs down, because I like to, you know, let my baby hairs and my lace melt while I am styling my hair. So I had to put my part in first so it can be, you know, in place so I can do my hot comb and all that stuff. So then I'm going to take the Got to Be spray just to spray like my lace and my baby hairs one more time to make sure they stay in place. And then I'm going to use this spandex little thing. I think it's like a elastic. My bad, it's not a spandex. It's elastic band. And I've been using this to tie my lace and my baby hairs down because I just feel like it works much more better than a silk wrap or like anything else. Like I just feel like when I use this, like I get a melt like no other. So I'm just going to use this little elastic band to tie my edges and my baby hairs down. And if it look a little dirty, don't mind that. I need to wash it because that's like got to be residue and, you know, makeup from tying it on my forehead with my makeup on. But don't mind that, y'all. I'm not dirty. Shit. Now I'm taking my hot comb and I'm going to make sure that my part and the top of my wig is laying flat as possible. Nobody want no football helmet, basketball, fat looking wig on top of their head. So you want to make sure that you have a hot comb. If you don't have a hot comb, sis, what are you doing? It's 2020. How you wearing a wig with no hot comb? You gotta have a hot comb. Like, one of my clients bought me this hot comb, and when I tell you it changed my wig game, like, and took it to a whole new level of flatness, I'm telling you, get you a wig comb, sis. I said wig comb. I meant hot comb, y'all. I just woke up and I'm trying to hurry up and edit this video and get it out for y'all. So sorry if I'm messing up, but I'm going to keep it all in so y'all can know, like, I'm not perfect. We all make mistakes. Shit. I'm human. I'm regular just like y'all. But I'm using my hot comb. And I want to do, like, the pushback method. So that's what I'm doing. Then I'm going to detangle the hair with my wig brush. And this hair did get a little bit tangled, but I don't know if it was just, you know, the fact that I had just co-washed it and plucked it and all that. But it did get a little bit of shadow, and it did get tangled like in the back of my nape area a little bit. But now I'm taking this Garnier Fructis oil and I'm going to put that all throughout my hair. I really love this oil, y'all. Like, it make the hair smell so good. It be nice and silky straight. And I just love that oil. But now I'm going to begin to flat iron my hair. And I'm just going to take little sections. And I'm using my Frontal Queen flat iron brush. Y'all go make sure y'all shop with the Frontal Queen and get that flat iron brush. Because, look, I'm only doing one pass. And y'all see how silky straight this hair is getting off of one pass? Ooh, child. Go shop with the Frontal Queen and get y'all that brush. I'm telling you, it changed my flat iron game. Took it to a whole new level of straightness, okay? Now I'm using a little bit of concealer to define my part. Then I'm going to take some of this oil sheen to get rid of like the little ashy look. And we are done. Look at the finished look, y'all. It's popping, period. Go shop Uglam. All right, y'all. So this is the final look. I really like how this came out. Like, I don't really like straight hair a lot, especially in the summertime, because when I go outside, it just get bushy. But this, I'm loving this. Like, I'm just loving the middle part. I just look so, like, grown. Like, even though I know I'm grown, but I just look, like, mature. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, make sure y'all go shop with Uglam hair. Tell them I sent you, period. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at LeneLanelle. And that's all I got. Bye, y'all. Cue the slow-mo.